regression test cases into test script, or many other languages are like they're like this, guys. They have to complete writing the test scripts. So convert regression test cases into regression test scripts. Done. Now, guys, generally when you hand over the regression test suite to the automation test engineers, will they start any analysis or directly they'll start writing the test scripts? Anything you take, see, once we give you the requirement, you have to write the test cases. Are you directly writing the test cases? Are you analyzing? Whenever I give you some job to do, do this 10 job, finish it off within 1 week. Will you directly start doing the job or you will analyze? Correct? 100% analyze. Okay. Now what happened? Now what happened? So manual testing team has given all these things to the automation team. So manual test engineer. When I say again, I'm repeating. Manual testing means I'm talking about the team. Okay. So manual team gave this 100 regression test cases, and the deadline was also given. Once you give the deadline, after 1 week, okay, the automation team neatly analyze, and after 1 week, they called for a meeting. And automation team says, boss, automation test engineer said after analysis, okay, after analysis that we can automate only 85 regression test cases. What is the meaning of this? We can automate only 85 regression test cases. After analyzing, remember, after analysis, they're using this sentence. Means what? Test scripts can be written only 85 regression test cases, or remaining 15 test cases, boss, I can't automate. See, generally when they say I can't automate, should they give the reason or not? Generally when they say I can't automate, boss, I can automate only what, 85 regression test cases. So when you are saying that I can automate only 85 regression test cases, should they give reasons or not? Yes. So first thing is, we will ask them, what is the reason? What is the reason, boss? What is the reason? Who should give the reasons? And the second problem is, correct, automation test engineer has to give the reason. Second problem is, remaining regression test cases, they need to be executed or not required. Remaining regression test cases needs to be executed or not required. Correct, 100% required. So when automation team is not ready to remaining regression test cases, they are not ready to execute. Now the only choice is, who should take it now? Who should take care of it? Yes. So remaining regression test cases needs to be executed by manual test engineer. That means, guys, you observe now, when automation team is busy in doing regression testing. See, when I'm saying testing, I'm talking about execution. Do you remember? I'm not talking about, see, when automation team is writing the test scripts, you are busy in what? Manual team. When automation team is writing the test scripts, you are busy in what? You are busy in the new features. After the after the new features are stable, now the automation team is busy in executing the regression cases, and when they are executing the test cases, simultaneously they will say, manual team, there are some regression cases that automation team cannot execute, so you please sit and complete executing these 15 regression test cases. Is the concept clear till now? Yes, that means and see, always there will be some test cases which cannot be executed. Remember, practically if you take, right, always some test cases will be there. Compulsory test cases will be there. So now, can I say when they ask you who does regression testing? Regression testing is generally done by automation team, but the cases which cannot be automated are always taken care by automation test engineer. Sorry, taken care by manual test engineer. Is this concept clear? First of all, don't write anything here. Is the concept clear? Yes. Now, guys, truly speaking, this question is an automation question because see, automation testing has to give the reason. And you people, is automation done for you? Automation is not done. Automation is done, not done. Automation is done now. Automation process is done. That's all. Automation testing is not done. When I say automation testing is done, Java is done and Selenium is done. Remember that point. Okay. So actually speaking, what I'm trying to say is the reason should be given by automation test engineer. So truly speaking, they should ask this question only after automation is done. But just for your understanding sake, since it's an easy topic, I'm covering it. Done? Now let's see the reason. Now let's see the reason. Okay. So this is, I think, topic number, I don't know. Topic number 10. Topic number 10. Something. Topic number 10 only, the last topic. See, this topic, they can ask in a different ways. They can ask you saying that what are the test cases that cannot be automated? Give me which are the test cases that cannot be automated, or what are the drawbacks of automation? Is the question clear? First of all, which are the test cases that cannot be automated, or okay, see, obviously some test cases I cannot automate means it's a drawback of regression testing. Yes or no? Obviously it's a drawback. Sorry, it's a drawback of automation testing, not regression testing. It's a drawback of your automation testing only. Now observe, let me take only the first one. First, let us take one by one. Now guys, automation has lot of advantages. Yes or no? If you observe, it is faster, it is accurate, batch execution is there, and once you write it, just you have to click on execute button from the next time. So many advantages are there. So see, generally when I say test cases that cannot be automated, actually speaking, it's a regression test case only. Yes or no? Generally when I say test cases that cannot be automated, generally it means regression test cases. Generally it means regression test cases. Okay. But first point I have written, because in interview they're asking, boss, why can't directly we go for automation? What is the meaning of why can't we directly go for automation? Why can't we directly go for automation? Means what? Without doing new feature, your head, no, wrong. Automation testing, I have no knowledge. What is the question? What is your answer? Why can't we directly go for automation? I'm asking. Yeah, correct. Without manual testing. That is the question here. We don't want any manual testing, because since automation has a lot of advantages, directly let us go for automation itself. Is it a valid question or not? It's a valid question or not? Yes. Because why I want manual testing? Let us remove the complete manual testing. Let us only go for your automation testing only. Now listen to the problem. Listen to the problem. Everyone listen carefully. Assume that I am in release number 1. In the release number 1, okay, directly, okay, I understood the requirement. Okay, and I want to write the scripts directly. That means I'm hiring manual team or automation team. Who is understanding the requirement here? Correct, automation. I don't want manual team only. That is what I'm saying. Why can't we directly go for automation? I am teaching you that concept. I'll throw the manual test engineer. Directly take the automation test engineer. Ask him to understand the requirement. Now, after understanding the requirement, does he have the product knowledge or not? I have understood the requirement. So does he have? Yes, yes. After understanding, ask him directly to write the test scripts instead of what? Instead of what? Instead of. Ask him to, yes, instead of writing the test cases, directly write the test script only. Now tell me, first of all, can we write the test scripts or not now? What test cases are in? Boss, I am changing the scenario here. First, you understand the question. Simply, you are throwing biscuit. No, yes, no, yes, no, yes. Why can't he write the test scripts? Tell me. Kirtan, I was saying, no, sir, he can't write the test scripts. Why? Tell me. Tell me, give me one reason. And Anirudh, no, sir, they can't write the test scripts. Why? I understood from where you are giving this answer. Next. Can't write the test script because test scripts can be prepared based on test cases. Boss, test. They're writing test scripts based on test cases. I will agree because test cases were there. But I can also write the test scripts if you give me time to understand the requirement. Yes or no? Yes or no? Understand? So if boss, I have understood. Second release automation team don't have time to understand the requirement. Since they don't have time to understand the requirement, I'm giving them the test cases, take the test cases and start writing the test scripts. But here when test understanding requirement only I have taken them, can't they write the test scripts? Correct, they understood the requirement, so they can write the test cases, test script, right? So simply don't give me blind answers, whatever you know here, I'll tell you. 100 times I've told you, don't become a parrot. Don't become a parrot. So when I gave you 2 months, automation testing unit, 2 months I gave them time. For what? 2 months I gave them time. Yes, for understanding the requirement. So when I gave them 2 months time to understand the requirement, obviously they can write the test scripts. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes? Okay, now guys, now observe. To write the test scripts, what all things should be there? Tell me. Generally, according to yesterday's class, whenever I want to write the test scripts, what all things should have? Generally, I said you should have test cases. But here test cases is not required because already we have understood the requirement. Correct? So two more things. They should have a tool and they should have a what? And they should have a application. Okay, they should have a tool and they should have an application. Now the question is, tool, yes, boss, I can give you. That is not at all a problem. Tool is ready. But application is not ready. Why? Tool is ready, I'll give you, but application is not ready. Why? Still, the developer has started what? Coding just now. So that means I'm completely removing manual team from the picture. Still, coding has not started only because developer also has understood the requirement. He has also understood the requirement and he has to also start writing the code. That means, guys, new features, can you directly write the script? New features, I'm talking about new features. Can you directly write the scripts? No. Reason is what? We cannot write the script directly for new features because application is not ready. Okay? Or remember, application is not stable. See, truly speaking, we always take the application from the previous release. Yes or no? Generally, we take the application from previous release. So, and previous release application is stable application. 100% stable application. So remember, guys, so here it is not possible because the application is not ready. That means, can we automate new features? Can we automate new features? Correct? No. Wait. Don't ask me anything. Wait for a minute. Let us one more I want to give. Observe. Now, see if you written here, cases can never be automated, or I have written new features cannot be automated. Okay. One more scenario I'll give you. One more scenario. Listen carefully. So what I did, release number one only. I have hired both guys. I am hiring to understand the requirement. I am hiring manual test engineers. Manual test engineers. I am hiring. And I'm telling them, lay manual test engineer, everyone please write the test cases. Normal process. Write the test cases. Now, they wrote the test cases. After writing test cases, now tell me, when they're writing test cases, what is developer doing? Tell me. Developer. They also understand the requirement. Developers also are understanding the requirement, and they are busy in writing the code. They are writing the code. Yes or no? They have started writing the code. Okay, guys. So let's assume now. Let's assume that application is ready, guys, because coding is completed. These two stages are done. Now I'm saying what, application is ready. Now I'm saying automation test engineer, start the automation testing. Can they start? Application is ready. Automation test engineer. Start this one. Start testing. Can they start? Automation test engineer, please start directly testing. Can they start? Don't give it. Yes, test cases are ready. That is what I'm saying. Scenario number 2. This is my scenario, guys. This is my scenario number 1. Scenario number is over only. Those who have logged in just now, you got up just now. So already it's morning before half an hour only. This is one scenario. Application is not ready. This is one scenario I said. Now I'm talking about second scenario. So I said manual team I hired, and manual team has, because see, you said to write the test scripts, test cases are required, correct? You said to write the test scripts, test cases are required. So I hired manual team only to write the test scripts. So now you observe, guys, application is ready, comma, test cases are also ready. Yes or no? Test case is also there, comma, tool is also there. Everything is there. And I'm saying start the automation testing. Application is there, test case is also there, and tool is also there. Can you start? Oh, good. Some people are saying, yes, sir, I can start testing. Very, very good. This is there. Can I start testing? No, sir, because application is not stable. One answer is perfect. Application is not stable. Any other answer? Regression test cases are not there. Leave it. That fellow has got up just now. Next. No, sir, but they are ready with test scripts. They are ready, they are not ready. Like here, the answer is very simple. They can't test because the test scripts are not there. If you take the second scenario, boss, everything is ready, I'm saying, but where are the test scripts? So first they have to write the test scripts. Application is there, test case is there, tool is there, but script is there, script is not there. Now they say, boss, I can't start directly testing. Automation team, please start testing. No. Now they will say, what is no, boss, no. Give me Okay, automation says give 2 months for writing the test scripts. Now tell me what is the problem here? Because scripts were not ready, guys. So they're saying give it 2 months. Let me write test scripts. What is the problem here? Tell me. 2 months I want to write the test scripts. What is the problem here? Tell me. Now application is ready and developer, does he have any work now? Application is ready. Developer, does he have any work? First to tell me, developer is having any work or not? No. Now he has to sit idle until what? He has to sit idle until what? Until stable. Talk, whatever you want to talk. Now, okay, until the scripts are written and the scripts are executed and you are finding the bugs, he has to sit idle. Yes or no? Because the code is ready, application is ready, but you don't want manual team, you directly want automation team, and automation team without writing the scripts, they can't test anything. So now they say, boss, 2 months developer, I want to write the scripts and then I will test. After testing, when bugs are found, then I'll intimate you. Now developer is sitting idle. Yes or no? Yes. So now carefully concentrate here. First example or first scenario, I'm saying that new test. Okay, if you take this first scenario, new features cannot be automated because the application is not ready. Application is not ready. Second, even though the test cases are ready, they cannot directly start testing because the scripts are not ready. If you see all this nonsense, what is the easiest way? Tell me. All this nonsense, if you see, what is the easiest way? Don't say manual testing in it. I don't want directly that answer. New feature should always be tested. How? New feature should be always tested both manual and automation. You have gone mad, boss. In the second example, I've taken both manual also taken and automation also have taken. Correct? So, boss, new features or new test cases. Remember, it can never be done using automation. We have to always go for what? We have to always go with what? Correct? We always go with manual only. So see this what I have written here. Just observe this. First one, which cases cannot be automated? Which cases cannot be automated? New test cases or new features cannot be automated because new test cases cannot be automated because there are no what? New features test cases are not there or application is not stable. Yes or no? That is the meaning of this. Here, if you observe, test cases are not there, our application is not ready, our application is not stable. So how can we directly start automating the new features? How many of you understood? Those who have understood, you leave this only. I don't have any problem, I'll tell you. Because I said you, this is a concept of automation, but it's not a rocket science. It is not at all a rocket science. Simplest points I'm saying you. If you take the scenario number 1, boss, application is not ready. Application is not ready. So how can I write the test script? Take the scenario number 2. In the scenario number 2, application is ready or not ready? In the scenario 2, application is ready or not ready? Then what is the problem in scenario number 2? Test cases are also there, application is also there, tool is also there, but problem is, yes, test scripts are not there. Give me some time to write the test script. Is this clear? So in example, guys, in interview, you don't have to tell this example they'll not ask. Tell that new test cases or new features cannot be automated because they are not, test cases are not there or application is not stable. Is the first explanation clear? Copy this. These are the examples. This you don't have to talk in the interview, I'll tell you. 100% this you don't speak. Only the first point you have to speak. So neatly write whatever understood. This is the first reason. This is the first reason which test cases cannot be automated, or the drawback of automation. The drawback of automation is we cannot go for automation directly. Compulsory first manual testing should be finished, then only I can go for automation. Okay. Whatever I've written in blue brackets, again I'm saying don't try to explain them. Don't try to explain them. But concept is very simple, I tell you. Food is not ready, I'm asking you to eat food. Can you eat food? Food is not ready, I'm saying eat, 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 eat. You will say like nonsense fellow, food is not ready. Sometimes food is ready, but the plate is not ready. Okay, like that, think about the situation. Test cases are ready, but application is still not ready. A test case and application both are ready, but scripts are not there. Simple concept. Scripts are not there. Sir, yesterday you said 10 regression case, 10, 10 regression cases automation engineer will do and 8 to 9 test scripts remaining are done by manual. Which are those cases? Oh, just now you got up or what? Just now you got up. New features of application is not stable instead of application is not ready. Subhash, obviously both are the reasons. Subhash, remember I'm saying if you take a case number 2, application is not stable and scripts are not ready. If you take scenario number 1, application is not ready only. So both the scenarios have given. Subhash Chandra. So if you see scenario number 1, application is not ready. Scenario number 1, 2, test scripts are not ready and application is not stable also. Perfect. You can say that. I'm repeating once again, guys. Scenario 1, application is not ready only. So there is no question of automation. Scenario 2, everything is ready, but simple reasons. Application is not stable and test scripts are not ready. Yes or no? Everyone give the answer. Yes or no? In first release, we can't do automation testing in this statement, right? That is what I'm telling you. Your applications are new features are stable. Leave it. Copy it, guys. Copy it. People are logging now and they're asking whatever they want. Right. But when writing, keep it simple. That is what I'm trying to say. When you're writing, Kirti or anyone people are writing, keep it simple. Don't make it complicated. So totally 3 reasons are there. Application is not ready, or sometimes application is ready but not stable, or sometimes the scripts are not ready. So where is the question of doing automation? Unnecessary developer will sit idle. Ashok Raj, don't irritate me. Guys, he's asking, what is the need of application to write the test scripts? Is this discussion already done or not done? Now he's coming and asking me why application is required. Okay, copy it, guys. Done. Let's move forward. Suddenly these fellows will get interest on class and they will come. Okay, now, as I said, explanation is not required in the interview. You understand, people who have attended automation testing process class, you will know what I'm talking about. Next, come to the second point. Second point is very simple. I'm teaching you second point now. Any regression test cases that require manual involvement. Okay, means, guys, listen. See, I have written one test case. Assume, guys, there is one test case for sign in only. Let us take. Everyone knows sign in. First time I am creating my credential, sign up or sign in. First time I'm creating my credentials. I have written one sign up test case. Okay. And see, from now I'm taking test case means I'm talking about regression test case only. Remember now. Here you have first name, then you will have your last name will be there. It will go on. Somewhere it will have something called as OTP. Yes or no? Sometime OTP will be there. You have to enter that OTP and then you have to click on this submit button. See, manually when I'm testing this, I will enter all the details, and this stage, I will wait. Yes or no? I will wait. Yes, that OTP will come to where? I'm waiting for OTP. OTP will come where? OTP will come. It may come to your mail or it may come to your mobile also. With a phone, it will come. Correct? After you get that OTP, the manual testing engineer take that OTP from his mobile, come back here, enter the OTP and click on submit button. This is how you have to test up this sign up features. Yes or no? This is how you have to test this sign up features. Yes. Now guys, automation team, please take this regression test case and write a test script. Write a test script. He will say get lost because when my scripts are getting executed, you tell me, am I sitting in front of the computer or not? Whenever batch execution is going on or whenever code execution is going on, my scripts are getting executed. Will I sit in front of the computer? Correct? No. Now, boss, if I want to automate this test case, problem is what, I am writing so many lines of code. After 10th line of code, I should stop my execution. Stop. Why I should stop? Tell me. After 10th line, I should stop. For what? I started executing the code. I should stop for OTP. Perfect. Stop for OTP. Wait till OTP comes. Once OTP comes, again start executing the 11th code of line. Can we do all this nonsense? Can we do all this nonsense? Correct. So are you understanding? So, and remember guys, whenever scripts are getting executed, when execution is going on, our involvement should be there, our involvement should not be there. Our interruption should be there or not. For me, more than a testing concept, that English is big problem for you. Correct. So once the execution, when washing machine is going on, can you put your hand and say, oh, one coin is there, I want to take that coin. Can you put your hand? Can you put a hand? That's not possible. Like that, if you give me any test cases for automation, interruption should not be there. But this example, what I'm giving is OTP example. Interruption is there, interruption is not there. Interruption is there or not there? It is there. So they are saying any regression test cases that requires manual involvement in between, we cannot automate. You do it. You do it means who should do it? You only do it. Who? Correct. Manual test engineer, you do it manually, boss. It cannot be automated. Is the second one easy? Second one clear? Copy this. Neatly write the second and whatever example you have understood, you make a note of it. You make a note of it. 2 minutes I'll give you. You write it. Pratiksha, sir, I got placed in Atra Infotech. Good, Pratiksha. You are from which batch, Pratiksha? From this batch? Pratiksha, you are from which batch? OCCM 13 means the manual is completed for you, or are you attending this class? Are you attending this class or manual is completed? Attending this class, very good. Atra Infotech, how much they have given? 4 lakhs? I think generally they give 4 lakhs. 3.5 lakhs. Good. So all of you guys, and which year passed out you are, Pratiksha? 2020? 2020. So guys, from your batch, Pratiksha has got placed to Atra Infotech. 3.5 lakhs they have given. You have option to speak. You have option to speak. Pratiksha, I have unmuted. Try. I don't know. You're taking from mobile or you're taking from this. Try once. Hello. Oh, Pratiksha Nayak. Yeah. Speak no. Speak one sentence. Let us see it's clear or not. No, it's not audible. You are in bathroom or what? Only water sound is coming. Speak, try speaking now. Okay, done. No problem. Done, guys. So he's from your batch itself. Pratiksha Nayak. He got placed from Atra Infotech. Congratulations. All the best. Joining date they have given, Pratiksha? Pratikshia Nayak. Actually, it's a boy. Boy, right? Pratikshia Nayak. Yeah. The names are confusing only. The music pincer, so can't be able to speak. No problem. Hey, Pratiksha, girl or boy? You're saying girl, right? Okay, done. No problem. No problem. Congrats. Okay. Have they given joining date? 11th June. Very good. But all the remaining classes also try to complete, Pratiksha Nayak. Okay. So because I'll tell you, everything is required for you, and no company corporate training will be in detail. I don't know if anyone has attended any other institutes or not. So in detail training they'll not give. So whatever classes are there, if you are free, just complete the online only. Complete. Then congrats, boy, girl. Okay, congrats. Then other fellows, other jobless fellows, and my friends, those who are getting job, they are my dushmans. They leave and go me. All other jobless fellows who are my friends. Dana. Some people will be crying, "Ayo, he got job, I didn't get job." Fast. Then copy it. Sir, still he's attending manual class without mark. How he got requirement? I know you fellows. Our Indian buddy, the habit is this only. How to pull other legs. You're understanding, guys? I thought people will say congratulations that he got job. So Pratiksha Nayak, remember, this is how people are. I don't want to take their name, but they're asking, sir, how come he got requirement, sir, when mark is only not there? He gave me extra 1 lakh rupees bribe. He gave me, so I gave him an interview. Isn't it like, don't have common sense only, I'll tell you. Okay, guys. No, see, but it get irritated. So like, see, you are easily saying leave them, but just think how they're talking. Just think. We should be happy that one of your classmates got job somehow. Okay, instead of that, the questions now. Okay, done. Leave it as you said. Correct. Unless I'm taking tension for everything. Good, guys. Let's go to the next reason, guys. Third reason. First 2 reasons are clear for everyone. First 2 reasons. And Pratiksha, respond once. Pratiksha Nayak, respond once. Pratiksha, what you know? Any requirements you will come to know in your company, please contact our HR and tell them. It will be helpful for other kids also. So it will request, guys, whenever you're getting job, there are so many other people, your juniors, friends who are looking for job. So if you come to know, once join a company, there may be so many openings in the projects. Please just one message. Hey, please, there is an opening here in my company. We will only call you, and it will be helpful for other students also. So please don't forget, once you get job, don't forget. Done, guys. Let's come to the third reason. See, remember, all these reasons are given by whom? I don't know whether you forgot the most basic point or what. All these reasons, who is giving, guys? Correct, automation testing is. Third reason, this you have to concentrate, guys. You have to concentrate. Any regression test case which does not support the technology cannot be automated. Means. Listen, carefully listen. Everyone knows CAPTCHA. Yes or no? Same thing you take something. I'm feeling, guys. Something I'm feeling here. Have you seen this also? Some registrations I'm doing. I have written one test case for registration case. Okay, registration. There is one test case I have written. In this test case, many contents are there. One text box will come. In this text box, one text will come like this. Have you seen Z? Let's assume 1. So many times we confuse. It's a capital letter or this letter Z, small p, like this it will come. This we call it as a CAPTCHA. We call it as a. Okay. Now, guys, some random letters will be generated. Correct. Okay. Some random letters will be generated. Now, when manual testing is testing this, what he has to do is he has to see this and he has to enter that CAPTCHA in the text box. Yes or no? Yes or no? He has to see this. He has to enter it here. Again, you see this. You have to enter it here. Again, you see this. You have to enter here. Again, you see this. You have to enter here. Correct? After entering, you have to click on submit button, OK button, whatever is there, you have to click. Now, is CAPTCHA one technology or CAPTCHA is not a technology? Why they have introduced this CAPTCHA technology? Can you tell me? What is the use of this CAPTCHA? What is the use of this CAPTCHA? Correct. For security purpose. For security purpose, right? CAPTCHA is for security purpose. Now, guys, listen, carefully listen. At least you should use common sense when I'm teaching now. Now, when I'm writing a code, okay, my code can go and it can enter the value here. First name it can enter. My code can enter the value for your date of birth also. My code can enter the value for this also. My code can go and enter the value for this also. Or tool can give the inputs. But when tool comes here, it becomes blank. Understand what I'm saying? See, manual test engineer see this from his eyes. He sees this from his eyes and is typing here. Yes or no? Manual test engineer, I will, Z is there, I will type Z. I is there, I will type I. C is there, I will type C. P is there, I will type P. So whatever letters are there, he's seeing it, he's typing it. He's seeing it, he's typing it. Now, when I say Selenium should go and test this feature, when Selenium should go and test this feature, okay, who should see and who should type? Understand what I'm asking? Selenium should go here. It should test this feature. Who should go and see the ZICP and who should type? Tool should only do it. Yes or no? Tool should only give the inputs. Tool should only see it and automatically it should type it. Now, guys, how they have developed this CAPTCHA feature is, carefully listen, how they have developed this CAPTCHA feature is, no tool in this world can recognize CAPTCHA. All this practically you can see in your automation, don't worry. Tools cannot recognize that CAPTCHA is there. Tool can recognize first name, tool can recognize second name, tool can recognize third name, tool can recognize submit button also. But tool cannot see this feature only. Are you understanding? Are you understanding? Tool cannot see this feature only. When tool cannot see this, what is the problem? Tell me. Tool cannot see this. Tool cannot see this. So what is the problem? Tool cannot see a functionality called as a CAPTCHA. Tool cannot see. So when tool cannot see, what is the problem? Obviously execution will stop. Perfect. Execution will stop because without entering CAPTCHA, can you click on submit button? Tool will not type the CAPTCHA. Tool goes and clicks on submit button. Will the testing continue or the testing will be stopped? Correct. Obviously the testing will be stopped. And guys, wantedly they have created the feature like this. Wantedly they have created the feature so that security will be there. So now tell me, can the automation team write a test script for this? Can they do automation testing here for this feature? No. So they will say, manual team, boss, CAPTCHA is there in this test case or CAPTCHA is there in this module. We cannot automate. You only test it. Is it clear? We can't test it. CAPTCHA is there. My tool cannot recognize only. So please, you only go and test it. Yes, yes, yes. Every understanding? The Pooja Kumari, you are there. Have you understood? Pooja Kumari, you are there. From many days, I have not seen you only. I don't know. Yes, okay, good. She's there. Easy, guys, easy. But please listen. Whatever I'm teaching you, beautifully you can see in your automation classes. After Java is completed in Selenium, you can see. Don't bother. So can I hope you have understood CAPTCHA example? So listen, any regression test case which does not support technology cannot be automated. Means if that feature consists of CAPTCHA, I cannot automate. You do it manually. One more example is there, guys. One more beautiful example is there. Have you heard of virtual keyboard? Every banking application, once you log in, it will be there. You log into ICICI Bank or you log into SBI Bank or HDFC, no, it's not a random keyboard. Wrong. You are wrong. Listen. Whenever you log into any banking application, we have an option called as virtual keyboard. Okay. And one keyboard will be displayed there. See, banking, once you open, right, username will be there. Observe. So username will be there, and you will have password. You will have password. Your banking application username and password you have to enter, and you will have this OK geek. Everything will be there. Assume this is a login page of ICICI, guys. Two keyboards are there. Whatever laptop you are using, assume this is a login page of bank. Whatever keyboard you are using in the computer, that is a virtual keyboard or it's a physical keyboard. My laptop has a keyboard, computer has a keyboard. Virtual means, do you know English first of all? It's a physical lay. It's a physical. This class is virtual or physical? Think and talk. This class is virtual or physical? Common sense. Yes, this class is virtual because you can't see. You can't see. But when I say keyboard, okay, when I say keyboard, the keyboard what I am using, the keyboard what you uses in your computer, that is a physical keyboard, guys. Now, same keyboard, they have one option called as ABC 1 2 3. Everything is there, guys. ABCD is there, 1 2 3 is there. Whatever your keyboard is there, right? Same keyboard is given there also. Enter button will be there. Okay. Now observe, the problem is what, you know. You go to any internet center. Any internet center you go. Listen carefully. Listen. Any internet center you go, guys. Once you go to internet center, assume that they have installed some recording software in the computer. Understand what I'm saying? We have so many softwares, recording softwares they will install, and what they will record, you know, whatever keys you are typing, everything is getting recorded. It's like, see, suppose I'll on the recording button and I'll sing a song. Song will get recorded or not? Song will get recorded or not? Like that, internet centers, what they were doing is they were using all the recording softwares in the background. You will not even come to know. You went, you opened www.gmail.com or www.icc.com. You opened and you are typing your username, you are typing your password, you are clicking on OK button. Whatever actions you are doing, what is happening in the background? Tell me. Whatever actions you are doing here, what is happening? Tell me. Correct? It's getting recorded. So your username, your password, once you go out from that center, everything was there with you. Your username, password, he got it. Yes or no? Are you understanding what I'm saying? Everything you got it. Okay. Now, so security was not there. Security was not there. So now what they did? They created one functionality called as virtual keyboard. They created one functionality called as virtual keyboard. Okay. Now guys, there is something called as a virtual keyboard, and it's a functionality. See, username is a functionality, password is a functionality, or it's a feature. Your captcha is also a feature. Captcha is also a feature. Like this, they created something called as virtual keyboard. Guys, please concentrate. Please concentrate. Now, the beauty of this feature is what you know. Don't use the keyboard from your laptop or internet center. Use this keyboard. Use this keyboard. Okay. So now use this keyboard. So now tell me, virtual keyboard is also a feature. Correct? Virtual keyboard is also a feature. Was it tested in the company or it's not tested? Correct? It's a tested because it's a functional, it is tested. Now, problem for automation testing is what you know. Selenium cannot recognize this. Same concept. Selenium cannot see this only. And wantedly, they have developed virtual keyboard in such a way that no tool can see this. Yes or no? Yes or no? So now virtual keyboard tool cannot recognize. And see, this is created for that purpose only. Yes or no? This is created for that purpose only. So now guys, first of all, virtual keyboard is a good functionality or bad functionality? First you tell me that. Is it good or bad? It's a good functionality, more secured way of logging into the application. So this feature can never be tested using automation. Why? It can never be tested. Even if you want to test 10 times, go for manual only. Why? Simple. Any tool you take QTP, you take Selenium, you take other recording tools. No tools can record the action of virtual keyboard. Anything you type here, right? They cannot recognize. So can I say any feature which has a captcha or any module which has a virtual keyboard, it cannot be automated. You have to do it manually. Simple reason is tool cannot recognize it. Easy. Have you understood? So these are the two examples. Okay, you write this. Only this much if you write also, it's enough, guys. If this much also, if you tell in the interview, if they ask you example, you tell, sir, captcha is one example, sir, and virtual keyboard is one example. Write the third point, 3 minutes I'll give you. Whatever you understood, you write it. Is it tough or easy, guys? See, why I'm teaching this, you know, you see, just now, no, one girl boy, he said that, sir, I got selected. Same way, guys, automation testing process, I am good. I know which cases cannot be automated. And if you explain this in the interview, believe me, they will take you. Because again, I'm betting you, they will not get any fresher who has so much of knowledge in testing. It's I don't know whether I'm overconfident or not, but at least I'm covering everything. So when I'm covering all of you, let us put that in the resume. Don't get scared. I'm doing my job. You also sit, you learn everything neatly, tuck, 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 tuck. You sit, you learn. And once you sit in front of the interviewer, if you explain all these things like me, I'll tell you, you are selected. And it's easy. 10 times you sit and study, you will get the topic. There is not at all a problem. Right, guys. Write the third point also. Dana. Okay, right. Just to tell them, guys, sir, some technologies are there like your captcha technology, virtual keyboard technology. We cannot write a test scripts because tool cannot recognize it. That's all. Tool cannot recognize it. If you want, we'll see. Once we are open physically, I can show you also what is the meaning of tools cannot recognize. Hardly takes 5-10 minutes. I'll show you. I think next 10 days, everything is going to get opened physically, guys. Probably 99% yes. So all of you be ready. All of you be ready. Once things are opened, 8th class, 9th class, 10th class students are only, they're going to school. You cannot sit in home and say that, no, sir, I will not come, sir. COVID is there, sir. I will die, sir. No. We may also die. So if we will come to the institute, you should also come. We'll inform you. Still time is there.
Lockdown is open. Everyone can.
I said after 10 days only, Hari Krishna, Nimajjina Badiya, listen first. Good. Some people will be there. 60% they will say, yes, sir, I'll come, sir. I want job as soon as possible. Dana. We'll inform you. Before 1 week only, we'll inform.
What's the meaning?
Sir, vaccination drive will be conducted in the institute. Very good question. If anyone, dad is doctor or someone, please let me know. We can do that also. I know some people are in Bangalore. I know. If anyone is there, doctor family or anyone, Manipal Hospital owner is there, please let me know. Yeah, let's go to the next topic now. Done. This topic is done. Wow, good boy. Wipe it. Will you brush?
No.
Okay, now one more point is there, or one more reason is there, guys. One more reason. Second dose on June 28th to July 28th is an option right now for institute. I don't know. Leave it. Last reason, which cases they cannot be automated. Okay. This is very simple, guys. This is very simple. Okay, now observe. Any regression test case which is complex and time taking will not be automated. Means listen. Assume, guys, there is one feature called as, just an example, because this is practically we have to see. There is one feature called as loan. This loan feature, manually it takes 1 hour. 1 hour it takes to test, guys. That's 1 hour. Now, guys, the same loan feature, if I want to do it for automation, obviously I have to write a test scripts. Now, this loan, writing test scripts only, writing this test script will take 12 to 14 hours. It takes 12 to 14 hours because that is very complex. The logic which we have to write is very much in-depth logic we have to write. And after writing that logic also, I don't know will it work or not. Such kind of situations may be there one in a project, guys. Remember, hardly one in a project. It may be there. So now, who is saying that writing scripts will take 12 to 14 hours? Who is selling this? Automation testing, because it's a very complex code and the time required is 14 hours is required. Now tell me, we have only 10 releases. Now 10 releases are there. To write the test scripts only take 14 hours, 15 hours. So complex it is. So is it better that you test every day manually only? Yes or no? Why you are wasting 14 hours? Instead of this, you give me some other test cases. I will automate. I'll automate. Because manually only it is taking only one hour. Write scripting only, it is taking 12 to 14 hours. So actually speaking, it's a time waste. Yes or no? Actually speaking, it's a time waste. So boss, please let us remove this test case from automation. You only do it manually. So I have written any regression test case which is complex and time taking will not be automated. But guys, now listen carefully. Automation team blindly can give all this reason to the manual team. Yes or no? Yes or no? Just because since it's tough to write the code, he may use this. That's why guys, anyone, if you want to become a lead SAN manager, compulsory you should have experience in manual testing and automation testing. Else you can never become lead in life. Remember this point. Because when automation team will tell this to the team lead, if team lead don't know automation only, he's a dumb fellow, blindly has to accept all these reasons. Yes or no? So automation team, what they will do, whichever is tough, they will give it to manual team. Whichever is easy, they will sit and automate. That's why remember my statement. In the future, if you want to go to the next level, minimum 2 years you have to work in manual, minimum at least 3-4 years you have to work in automation. Then only you can become lead SAN manager. So this is the fourth reason. Is the fourth reason easy? Is the fourth reason clear? Copy that. Copy the fourth reason.
sir.
ನೀವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು?
ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಫೋನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
For the same loan feature, if you want to test multiple time, also we use manual testing. 100% yes. 100% yes. Because there is a lot of complication for automation. There's a lot of complication for automation. So better this feature you always go manually. Yes, Surya. Copied, guys. Like you can reuse the test scripts is okay, Kirtan, understand. Done, sir. You can reuse the test scripts. But whatever the test script you are writing, 20-30% of the time is wasted in one script. Within this 12-14 hours, next other 10 test cases can be automated. So which is better approach? See, will you die only behind one answer only? In exam also, when you're writing, first you will concentrate on which one, tell me. When you're writing your exams, some 4 tough questions are there, 6 easy questions are there. Which one you will write first? Easy questions only, but even know the answers for tough questions also. Still you will concentrate on easy only. Okay, done. You have written all the 4 reasons, guys. See, the trick they cannot use, because when they're telling this to manual team lead, they are not fools, I'll tell you. Each and every reason they are giving, remember guys, listen, all these reasons they should give in front of project manager. Your lead will be there, whole team will be there. So they will open the 15 test cases. See, these 15 test case, this problem is there. So we can't automate. This test case, this problem is there. They have to give the demo of it. It's not like I'm teaching, they will only tell one sentence. And they are going to make a document also. Why we have not written test script. So boss, it's blindly they can't tell this in the company. Okay, done. Okay. Now the last point, listen guys. See, these are the 4 reasons that some test cases that cannot be automated, so which will be taken care by your manual team. Now listen, this question also I am going to ask in mock, today's mock. Today already 100 people we have scheduled the mock. Yes or no? Yes or not? Today 100 people mock is scheduled. Did you get a message? Yes. So already people know for whom we have scheduled. Not scheduled, it will be tomorrow for you. Again, I'm repeating. In the regression testing, 14th question was this question. Yes or no? In the regression, 14th question was which cases cannot be automated. Now, this is also there. So this question is also included in today's mock. This question is also included in today's mock. Remember this point. Now, one last summary I want to tell. Listen. See, automation test engineer from the release number 2, will write scripts for dash. What is your answer? Automation test engineer from the release 2 will write the scripts for dash. Okay, very good. Regression test cases. Okay, and one more thing is there. Think. 100% they'll write the for regression test cases and many of you know the answer. Use old features like regression features and dash. Think. Rewind your manual testing stories. What you are talking about, Deepak? Impact area, regression test cases means impact area. Like, prepare properly and come for mock. No, you see, you forget about this topic. Test cases that cannot be automated. It's over. One summary I'm giving, automation summary I'm giving you. This is a note. Automation test engineer will write a test script for regression test cases and dash. Let me see, one fellow also has common sense or not. And. You now started. And requirement. Tippaswamy, what you are talking? They don't talk meaningless. Right? Kiran, you are right, but I'll not reveal the answer. You are right. Kiran is right. Fuck man, what you are talking? Execute that, impact that. They will write and execute. I know that. They will write test script for regression testing and also, and also write the test script for dash. Test script for one is regression test cases. And for Sky Moon Malik tools, it seems. Wow, beautiful. Oh, my karma. Well, I should have not asked this question. I got demotivated actually. Did a mistake by asking this question. We'll write regression test cases, test scripts for regression test cases, and also we'll write a script for build. No, one girl has only given release one failed test script. Leave it. Okay, wait, leave it. Wait, understood. Waste you are. For smoke test cases. Why? New features. Do you have common sense what you are talking? Will they write a scripts for new features, guys? Go, like. So automation test engineer will write a scripts for regression test cases compulsory, and obviously from release 2 only. And they will also write a test script for smoke test cases. Why? They will also write a test cases, test scripts for smoke test cases. Why? What major minor like? Your head major minor. Next, why? My question is why? None makla pata. You're mad or what? Build study, guild study. What you're talking? Why they're writing test scripts for smoke test cases? Only 2 people have given the answers correctly. Because smoke testing is also a repetitive task. Waste fellows. Is smoke testing a repetitive task or not? This shows how much you are studying. Regression test cases, obviously, it is a repetitive task. The smoke test case is also a repetitive task. 100%. This is also a repetitive task. So obviously, they will write a scripts for regression test cases and they will write a scripts for smoke test cases. Have you understood? I've already told you this point. Smoke test cases can be documented and scripted also. The difference between smoke and sanity. Do you remember my mistake? Make a note of it. Boss, they are automating regression cases because it's a repetitive. That's the most important basic topic. Same way, smoke testing is also repetitive. Because in the release 1, whatever features we have considered for smoke testing, release 2 also basic and critical features are same. Yes or no? Let it be release 1, let it be release 2, let it be release 3. The basic and critical features are same or not? Hey, close the fridge. So since it's a repetitive task, let me write a script so that whenever the build is given, I can start execution. Make a note of it. Just write it as a note.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, good morning, Maria.
Tell me, Maria.
Sir, this regarding the fees only, sir, I am again and again coming. Because students, they are not at all responding. Yesterday they have responded me, but till now, again and again, they are not responding. I guess they are just playing with us. Telling tomorrow, day after tomorrow. This I wanted to take it serious. Again, I'll be removing from them from the data and HR requirements also, where Sheila ma'am told she'll not be processing.
Okay.
Because more than 1 month it is over, sir.
Okay, guys. You take it as a warning, you take it as a request, whatever it is. Some 40-45 people are there. Complete your fees by tomorrow. And please don't make us to display the name. Even they have told me 4 or 5 times also I'm not displaying. 4 or 5 times also I'm not displaying. So we are doing our job correctly. You also please complete it. Maria, you do that. So guys, very
Yes,
simple.
sir.
We will take mock gig, everything we will take. But people who has paid the fees, for them I'll process for interview and for the classes. Remaining people, we will not do it. That's all. Because I cannot keep on announcing this and you will feel bad. There is nothing to feel bad here, guys. There's nothing to feel bad. So then, so if you are playing like that, we will also show how we can play also. Madi Maria, then do that. You
Okay,
remove
sir.
from the match. I also can't do anything. So it's your wish. You guys do. Because remember, obviously the management should also run. So people who have paid all the other people, we continue them. Remaining people, you take
Okay,
your
sir.
decision. I already told you
Okay,
10 times, don't play, I said you. But I also can't do anything, Maria. You do that.
Whenever
Remain.
I'm asking, they're telling next day, next day, next day is not at all coming for them actually.
I'll talk about it. That's okay. You leave them. See, I don't want to discuss this. If you discuss this also,
Okay,
I'll tell
sir.
you
I'm
don't
just
feel bad. So I
okay,
don't want
sir.
any.
I'll
Here, I
remove
don't
them,
want
sir.
any. You remove them directly, and she'll also whatever she wants. Let her not process it. That's okay. Nothing can be done.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye,
Thank you,
Maria.
sir. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Copy it, everyone. Copy it. Remember, smoke cases are also automated. Why? Give me one simple reason. Let it be regression, let it be smoke. They are automated because, what is the sentence? Yes, because they are repetitive task. Because they are repetitive task. That's all, guys. This ends the whole concept of regression testing. A complete regression testing I have finished. Have you understood all these regression classes now? Is it clear for everyone?
Sir.
Okay. So today I'll stop it because for 100 people we have a mock today. That's okay. Kodeshwar will discuss. We'll discuss. I'll see. Okay, guys. Now observe. So all these people, whatever you got a message saying that today mock is there, be prepared. Other people will get a message today that tomorrow your mock is there. So from 6 o'clock, I'm starting the mock till I don't know till what time it happens. And second thing is, remember, in the mock you are going to Google Meet. It is you are going to show your face. No smart tricks, gigs, or dirty tricks. It's not smart tricks. It's called as a dirty tricks. Okay. So everyone should be ready with proper network. I'll open the Google Meet. You should show me your face, and then we are going to take the mock. Anyone, sir, face I cannot show, sir. My face is very beautiful, sir. I've saved it only for my hubby, sir. You don't come for mock only. You don't come for mock only. Any kind of dramas, gimas, I don't want. Network is not that you go. Interested people I'll take, not interested, it's your wish. So 6 o'clock, we will start the mock. Be ready. Is it clear for everyone? And attend all other classes also. Attend all the other classes. Remember this point. Okay. I'll stop it today. Tomorrow I'll start a new topic. And tomorrow, people not paid, they are going to remove. You cannot point out to me. Remember this point. You cannot point out to me. Okay, so I'm sorry if you feel bad. Also, nothing can be done. So tomorrow, test documents I'll start. Very, very important. Writing test cases, writing test scenarios. Because testing is first or writing test document is first. Which is first in the company? As a test engineer, which is the first task? Which is the first job of a test engineer? Testing or writing? They are getting my voice. See, freeze ಆಗದ್ ಕಲ್ತಿದಪ್ಪ. Stop the class today. We'll